For as long as we can remember, signage has become an integral part of the urban landscape. However, conventional forms of signage like LED screens can often be prohibitively expensive for many businesses. We believe it's time to look for opportunities elsewhere. Many businesses are sitting on an abundance of unused space. Whether it's the facade of their office buildings, their storefronts, or the walls, floors, and ceilings of their premises, these are all potential free media space that just isn't being maximized. But technology promises to change all that. At Epson, we want to transform the way businesses project their brands, messages, and images to the world. We've designed projectors that enable your business to turn every surface, space that was formerly unused and ignored, into stunning eye-catching displays. Take the Epson EV115 Light Scene Projector. Thanks to its 360-degree ball joint structure, it can project across different surfaces throughout your entire retail and event space. From floor to ceiling and all the available wall space in between, the possibilities are vast as you discover new ways to use underutilized space for all your business branding and promotional needs. With up to 20,000 hours of virtually maintenance-free operation, it's designed to be installed without having to constantly check up on it. That means greatly reduced operation costs and much less hassle. The Epson projector range also includes the EBL 20000 UNL, a powerful 20,000 lumen WUXGA high-brightness laser projector. Designed for projections of various scales, it can accommodate everything from a private corporate event all the way up to the most epic public events. Epson's projectors for businesses don't just significantly lower the cost of maintenance and labor, but also helps your company drive its sustainable transformation by helping to minimize your global waste footprint. And with our mercury-free projector models, you also ensure your operations create no harmful byproducts. That's how Epson is helping you transform your brand into a stunning, high-definition vision of sustainability.